Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new phonic language series book 1. Now open at page number 40. Children, in this page we will create the sound B. This is sound B. Now trace B is down, down, go up and turn around. This is sound B. 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 B basket. B ball. B. This is sound B. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home. And now open at page number 41. B butterfly, B banana. Color the butterfly and B banana and trace sound B. B. Okay, children, complete this page at home in the guidance of your parents. Now open at page number 42. Children, in this page, you will circle the picture with B sound only. Okay, children, tell me which picture is this? Belt. Yes, belt. So we will circle the belt. And what is this? Yes, this is bag. And now circle the bag. And what is this? This is an octopus. Octopuses start with the sound of B? No. And what is this? This is bear. Bear. So we will circle the bear. And what is this? This is a bike. Bike. So we will circle the bike. And what is this? This is a lemon. Lemon, does it start with the sound of B? No. So we will cross it. And what is this? Yes, this is a ball. Ball. And what is this? Yes, this is a bread. Bread. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home. Now open at page number 4343. Children, in this page you will trace the sound and circle the picture with B sound only. Children, first you will trace the sound B. And circle the things which will start with the B sound only. B banana. B banana. So we will circle the B banana. And octopuses start with the sound of B? No. B butterfly. So we will circle the butterfly. And this is B bus. Now we will circle the bus. And what is this? Yeah, this is a biscuit. And what is this? This is an orange. Orange is start with the sound of B? No. And what is this? Yeah, this is a bowl. Bowl is start with the sound of B. And what is this? Yeah, this is a boat. Boat. Boat, bowl, biscuit, bus, butterfly, and banana. Okay, children, you will complete these pages at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.